Hello sugar pies, welcome to a makeup get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup, but before that let's make sure that we apply sunscreen on our skin. I've cleansed, I've toned, I've done everything else. I just wanted to do the sunscreen part with you guys here because it's very important to apply your sunscreen even if you're wearing makeup. Very important. And we're using the 2-finger rule without forgetting the 2-finger rule, and I'm just gonna apply the sunscreen on my face, just getting our face moisturized and ready to put other products on. And voila, our skin is already and moisturized. Now we can go to the next step, which is we are going to draw our eyebrows, and I'm using this Essence eyebrows. It's very the prices are here. I'm putting a price of everything. I'm just gonna like draw my eyebrows following my natural eyebrows, and then after that I'm going to conceal using the LA Girl Pro concealer. This is by far my most favorite concealer. I know everybody loves this concealer. Let me know in the comment section if you do, because this concealer, it gives what it's supposed to be giving. And now we are going to blend our concealer. Blend girl. And once that is done, I'm going to apply my primer, and I'm using this LA Girl primer. It's a very good primer for people with oily skin. It's very mattifying. I usually just apply the areas that I mostly get oily, which is my T-zone. That's how you see me applying here. I don't focus on other areas. And I'm going over with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, one of the best foundations ever. If you're a beginner, you're looking to start on your makeup journey, make sure you start with this foundation. It is the best. I didn't get the exact shade, but you know what, we're just gonna work with what we have. And make sure you blend. This is the process. You are supposed to blend until your arms hurt. Taking our very concealer that we're still using for our eyebrows, now we are going to highlight our face, and I'm highlighting underneath my eyes. Just okay, I've lost touch of what I was supposed to say, you guys. Just highlight the way I'm doing here. You can put more product, you can put less product, but let me tell you, less is more. In anything you do, less is more. So make sure you're just putting a less product, and then make sure you blend. The key to a flawless makeup finish is blending. Blend. Make sure you're getting that skin-like finish. Just don't be lazy on this blending process, because that's what makes your foundation, your concealer, everything just absorb well into the skin. And then we are taking this LA Girl setting powder. I'm gonna set the areas that I have concealed in my face using this. Make sure that I'm just dabbing into the skin. I'm not wiping, but I'm dabbing into the skin. And then we are taking our favorite powder, which is the Fit Me also, and we're just gonna powder down our entire face. Make sure you're using enough powder so that you set everything, all the liquids that you applied on your face, you use this powder to set that. That's the aim of powder. And then I'm taking this contour eyeshadow not foundation, sorry, I don't remember the price. I bought this at Canon, so I don't remember the price, but it's not more than 50 rand. And I'm just going to give color, like we're just giving color to our skin. And then I'm using the same palette. I'm gonna take the darker one, and this darker one I'm going to use it as a contour to contour my nose and all the other areas that I want to contour. But with me, I usually just contour my nose, and that's it. I don't do anything else, because we are doing a simple beginner makeup. We don't want to put a lot of product. And then I'm taking my powder, the same powder. I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow. I did not put eyeshadow. This is what we are using as eyeshadow. This makeup look is very simple. You can wear it every single day if you're going to work. And now I'm just gonna like spool my brow so that we don't have harsh lines. We have like natural, we are trying to get some natural brows, but not really natural. That's the look that we are going for. And then I'm taking my mascara. I don't remember the price as well, but it's not more than 30 rands, and I'm just going to give my lashes a life, give them life. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I'm taking this pencil. It's just a black eye pencil. You can use any black pencil. I'm just gonna give life to my eyes as well, underneath the eyes. And then I am taking my favorite, this is just a very normal pencil. It's only 5 rand. You can buy for 5 rand, 3 rands, and this is what I'm using as a lip. Before we go on with anything else, I'm going to use this as a lip liner to underline my lips, to give them that definition, the look, so that we don't look crazy. And then I'm going over with my lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss of your choice. This one is a very old lip gloss of mine. I'm just gonna apply this, and you see the two, the way they are blending together, the eyeliner and the lip gloss. Heaven on earth. And then I'm just taking my spray, my setting spray. I'm going to set everything. Make sure you're not stingy on this. Put the setting spray, let it sit. And here is a very simple beginner friendly makeup. Very simple. You can wear this to work, running errands, when you're at home, when you wanna look presentable. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know in the comment section if you want this kind of videos, more of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.